Hey guys, it's Tonga here. So if you're coming from Excel to Google Sheets, you might struggle with replicating some functionality in Excel. For example, converting a dataset into a table. In Excel, all you have to do is select your dataset, do Ctrl-Shift-T, and your dataset will be transformed into a table. So in Google Sheets, it doesn't have the same functionality, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And also today I am going to show you how to remove these pesky grid lines, and I'm also going to show you how to create a chart visual on top of our data sets. And yeah, that's it. So let's dive in. So first things first, most of the literature I've seen online saying how to create a table in Google Sheets has been a bit misleading in the sense that they all say, okay, select your data set, go onto insert and click table. But there's no table functionality here. There is pivot table, but it's not a table that we're looking for. We just want a table. So we don't have that feature to create a table on the fly and insert. However, to create a table in Google Sheets, all we do is select our data, then we are going to go under format. There's alternating colors, and voila. So it gives us different colors to play with. So let's go for this blue here, quite a generic color. And there you have it. We have our table in Google Sheets. That's fantastic. So let's just remove this. Oops. Yeah, that's it. So we have our table. So just to test this out, so you see like Russia is the last one in our table. So we could go and say Fiji, and we're gonna say maybe there's 2 million people in Fiji, and voila, it automatically picks up that this is part of this range and applies the same formatting. So we could go crazy and try and format our table just to give it maybe a bit of border. So like Excel, we can do all that. So we can just say, yep, there you go, it's all that, but we are going to just leave it as it is. I just quite like it the way it looks. So that's done. We've created our table in Google Sheets. So the next step now, we're going to create a visual on top of this data set. So we've got country and population. So naturally, we're going to go for a map. So we've selected our data set. We don't even need to do that because we're dealing with a table now. So we just select inside the table, then we're going to go into insert, then we're going to say chart, and it's going to give us a pie chart as a starting point, because it just thinks, okay, you want a pie chart, but you're going to say no, I don't want a pie chart. And instead we are going to go down under chart type. It's going to say, it's going to bring us back different types of charts we can choose from. But here we got 2 different maps we can choose from. So we go like a geo chart with markers. It's just gonna give us little blobs and stuff like that. So we're gonna say we don't really want that. We want something be more visual, more colorful. We can play with. So we can say, uh, what is this? So this is, I think this is Greenland. Yeah. So we can let's swap Fiji with Greenland. I want you to notice how the color is going to change, and it's going to say Greenland is voila, then it changes the color. So that's fantastic. So already we've got something that's kind of like working to our advantage of what we want. So we've created our table, we've created our visual. So now we're going to remove the grid lines. But before we do that, let's just put like a title there. Why not? And we can say oh, yeah, sorry, we can increase the size of that. Okay, then we can just put like a bit of a background on that just to make it stand out a bit, and voila. So we got like our map, we got like our table, and we got a title. And the last thing, to remove the grid lines. So to remove the grid lines, we're going to say click under view, show, then untick grid lines to say adios to that, and voila, there you have it. your table now stands out crisp and clear, perfect for precision for your or reports. Basically, if you just want to copy this into a report, you don't have that those Excel uh, grid lines. So yeah, there you have it. Now you can build stunning tables and banish grid lines in a matter of minutes, basically. Remember just to kind of play around with this. There's quite a lot functionality in Excel in Google Sheets. So just keep playing around with it. There's more you can do and more visualizations you can play around with, formatting, all sorts, you name it. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tricks. And yeah, thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.